This is a farming tool, Pig Chaser. It allows farmers to manage their pigs efficiently. Efficient management of pig herds. Rechargeable design, long-lasting and durable. A single charge will last for a long time. Open the soft plug cover. It is the charging port. Next to this round button is the main switch of the Pig Chaser. Press it to turn on the power. Then press it again to switch it off. Anti-slip handle, comfortable to operate. The handle is comfortable to hold for a long time. No fatigue. Trigger button is large enough. Easy to press with fingers. One end controls the electric shock. It's easy to drive away the pigs. One end controls the flashlight. It's easy to illuminate. Waterproof material, safe and reliable. Even in wet environment. Can be used normally. Flexible shaft. Not easy to break. Long service life. Easy to replace. Different lengths can be chosen according to the size of the pig. Pig catchers, a powerful assistant for modern farming. It makes it easier for farmers to manage their pigs.